Hey guys, this is Mrs. Wolf, and I'm with
me, Jack,
your
son.
Yeah, Jack's my son. And what's gonna happen is Jack's gonna review slope-intercept form one more time. We're gonna put this on here. Go ahead, Jack. Tell him what's up.
So on this question, first we gotta find out what the slope is. The slope and y-intercept is.
Okay, so what's the slope here? Put it in this spot right here.
So the slope is
1/2. Right?
1/2.
Okay, very good. And then what's our y-intercept?
And the y-intercept is -3.
So put -3 over there. You can put your hand on the screen, buddy. So now where do you start?
So I start at -3.
Okay.
So right there.
And then what's going to happen?
And then I go up 1.
Yep. And then
over 2.
Right 2. Okay.
And then
up
right
2. And you keep going. Look, up 1, right 2. See how it kind of makes it look? My kids tell me it looks like a
pattern.
Like a staircase, yeah. Okay, so there's our first one. There you go, buddy. Okay, Mom's going to take you to the second one. Okay, this one's hard. Okay. So what do you think your slope is?
I think the slope is 2.
Now, I need that in a fraction form. Can you help me? What's 2
2
is
once.
No, 2 1 isn't an answer, right? 2
once.
2 once? It's 2 over 1. Okay. And what's our y-intercept there, big guy?
The y-intercept is 1.
Okay, so
put the y-intercept right there.
Right, put 1 at 1, and then where does it go from that point?
Up 2.
Right.
And then right 1.
Now, here's the cool part about this. You go up 2, right 1, we put a point, right? Up 2, right 1. From this point right here, we could go down 2 and left 1. Because 2 negatives make a positive.
Oh.
That's kind of cool, right? Okay, last question. I'm going to let you do this all by yourself. This is a trick question. What number's in front of that X that we don't write?
This is actually a 1, so...
Okay.
It's a 1.
Now, can you tell me what 1 is like as a fraction?
1 is also known as
1 over 1. Okay.
And the y-intercept is -1.
Okay, let's get a graph on this big boy.
So, -1, you go over 1 and up 1.
Okay, so we can go up 1, right 1. We don't say over.
Okay.
Up 1, right 1. Right, keep the pattern going. See, that kind of makes extra points.
Yeah.
Nice job, big man.
Yay.
Love you.